Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an Hollywood movie using AI, Hollywood movie style using AI. So first of all, we are going to head over to this ChatGPT. Then what we are going to be doing with ChatGPT here is for us to get the script. So for example, I'm going to put to ChatGPT, and then what I will tell ChatGPT is generate a very short Hollywood style movie script that contains just 4 scenes. It should be very detailed and engaging. So that is the script, that is the prompts I'm giving ChatGPT. So let's see what it will give us. Alright, so now we are done with it generating the scene. Now the next thing is for us to get the images for each of the scene. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT again using voice note, generate all the images each of the scene. Generate a prompt, a well-detailed prompt for all the images in each of the scene. Remember, it's an Hollywood movie style, so it should be cinematic, and then it should be 9:16 aspect ratio. Make it very detailed. So now we are getting the scripts for the prompts. Okay, so guys, you see. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to make a copy of this so that we can generate those images. But before then, what I will do next is for me to generate the prompt that I can use to animate this video, and then add voiceover and dialogue moments. So what I will just do is I will go back to ChatGPT and then say, generate a well-detailed prompt that I can use to animate these images, add a voiceover and a dialogue time, and then also make it short. Make the dialogue short for like about 8 seconds. So the reason is because the AI tool we are going to be using to generate them is actually short. So, and then the shorter your video is, the quality the quality will be different. Alright, so we have all the prompts now ready. See, get to where the aspect ratio is, camera angles, and then 4K 9:16 vertical. Okay, it's saying 9:16 vertical, while meanwhile we need 16:9. That was a mistake. 16:9 horizontal. Okay, so hope we are horizontal. So we have to now implement that in all this. We'll check that in all the scripts. So guys, we have finished copying it. Now we are going to Gemini. We want to generate all our images. Now here on Gemini, I'm going to create from a new chart. Then let's paste the first prompt. Here's the first one. Let's see what it's going to give us. Alright, so we have it like this. We have it. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to import that. I'm going to import that image and then paste the second prompt. Alright, so we have it like this. So I'm going to save this also. So we have gotten. So guys, what you notice is that we have consistent face. The first person, we have consistent face running through the scene. So now the next thing we are going to do is for me to head over to where we are going to be generating our video. Alright, so now here we are going to generate our video. So we are in flow now. So I'm going to tap on new project. So let's tap on this plus icon to bring in all our images. So we have our image. So I'm going to long press them to highlight all of them. Alright, so all our images are complete. Now what we know next is to get to the start, to get where we see start video, and then I'm going to upload the first one, this first one, and then we now put the prompt, the video prompt we generated with AI. So here's the video prompt. So I'm going to send it. Alright, so the first video is ready. Let's see it.
The world went silent, or so I thought. I hear you. Where
Alright, so guys, we have all our
The
video
world
ready.
went silent. Or so I thought.
Something was still down there.
Get off me! Alone. Right, behind you. Maybe the signal was never them.
Subscribe to our channel, kindly click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viral video just like this one. So guys, thank you for watching, and then see you in our next video.